Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the traveling crafter, and I'm here with another kindergarten craft. This is going to be a 5-minute kindergarten craft because it is this easy. What will you need, you ask? Some watercolors. I am using, because I think it works easier, some squeeze tubes of watercolor. I've got a very large bristled brush, water, and the piece de resistance is going to be a lemon. Yes, you heard it right. So if you need to, go grab a lemon out of your fridge and let's go ahead and get started. So this is going to be pretty simple. The first thing that's most important is you want to make sure that that piece of paper that you're doing your work on is very wet before you get started. What colors shall we do? Let's just do like should we do like a rainbow of colors? This says it's scarlet. So I'm just going to put a little red on there. A little orange. I'm kind of reaching, aren't I? Oh, that's not been opened. A little orange. A little yellow. I don't know what this is going to look like. Let's do that first. Then let's add some other colors just to see what this is going to do. Okay, so see how thick that is on there? And then our yellow. I think I'm just going to keep those 3 colors on there. Ooh, I like that a lot. All right, now you see there's some pooling right there. Perfectly okay. Just want to make sure that your page is well done. I did not say welcome, everybody. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming back. I appreciate y'all very, very much if you didn't already know that. And kindergarten crafts is just something that I started playing with and experimenting with, and have found some really fun projects to do. And so I thought I would pop on and share them once in a while with all of you to try. So far, we've done a lot of mixed media paper stuff. And we've also worked with crayons. So there you go. If a kindergartner can do it, so can you. So here's going to be, like I said, the piece de resistance. All you're going to do is, and I have this one. See, that one's, I don't know if it's going to work because I've used it. Let me see if I can get the, yeah, I think that one's probably done. All you're going to do is to make this reaction, if you will, a scientific reaction, is take your, see if you can see this. There you go. Your lemon juice, and plus it smells delicious. Did you know that lemon juice, or lemon, the smell, the scent of lemons, the taste of lemons, helps you concentrate, do better in on tests? I want to say it's also a spending money thing, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just try this here. So that's what it is if you just dribble a little bit on there. But why not? Let's just make some, well, this one's not working that well. It worked great on the other ones I did. Yeah, maybe I have too much water on it. Let's just get rid of that and we'll do another one. There you go. Set it aside to dry. I've got a whole bunch over here that I did right before I came on. And if I can, without making a huge mess, I will hop on. I think what I'll do is, so I did Roy, red, orange, yellow. Let's do green, blue, and violet. So again, I'm just getting my paper wet. Oops. Is this the color I want? Light green, it says. And it already starts, and yes, your paper will roll a little bit. Well, we'll just try it in this order and see what happens. Oh, I don't know if I like that color at all. cobalt. Let's just add a little bit of this in there. This is cerulean. And then the only purple I have is this. So we're going for it. That's pretty darn dark. But let's see what happens. We'll try to keep these from getting too crazy. Okay, now what's going to happen? Ooh. I want some more purple, I think. Why not? Fun, easy, relaxing mass make of papers. Now, what I need to do is now use some of these and show you. Now it's kind of getting muddy. Okay. When in doubt, leave well enough alone. All right, let's just... Ooh, I like that. Now, that one's got just a little... I shouldn't have probably done that, but I did it. I did it. It still's got some cool stuff on it. We could use this to kind of soak a little bit up. Make a little bit of a border. There you go. Done. All right, I'm running out of space over here. Okay. I will show you the ones that I did with the lemon. It turned out, or with the stamping of the lemon. Let's do, I have got a couple more sheets of paper, and this is, like I said, a 5-minute craft. And I believe you could probably, let's use another, I'm going to be doing a lemon or lime journal in my future, and I liked how the last one turned out, so let's try that. If you've got watercolors, and I am sure that you could do this with, you know, just if you have them in a palette, you're just going to need to put quite a bit on, is what I would probably recommend. This one is called Lemon Yellow, so let's try it. I'm going to put you, ooh, that's kind of really light. Okay. I don't use these very often, so it's good that I'm busting them out. I took a little bit of the water off of my brush before I put it on here. Oh, I like that. Okay. Now, let's see. Do we have enough juice in this one? Well, we got a seed. Okay, let's leave that just like that. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I want to use the rest of this lemon for my water. So I'm going to take this over here and cut off this piece, the top. And then I'll show you. Well, that even has a list. There we go. That's better. How cute is that? You got automatic lemon paper for your all your crafting needs. Okay, there you go. We have one left, and we have the juice of that top of that. The rest is going in my agua. And then I'll show you real quick the rest of them that I did. All right, well, let's mix it up. What color should we do? I have one that turned out kind of a muddy mess, but the stamp of the lemons turned out really cute. Let's do something a little bit different. Okay, let's see. You know what? Let's get crazy and let's use some browns and see what happens. Wouldn't, you know, not usually my go-to whatsoever. Let's see. Burnt umber, I think, is going to be too burgundy, or, you know, maybe not. Van Dyke brown. I guess we're just going to, ooh, see what happens here. All right. And again, just to remember, you want to make sure you have plenty of water on your paper. Oh, that just looks like chocolate pudding. Remember? Oh, yeah. That's a good kindergarten craft. Do you guys remember when we used to, when we finger painted with food coloring, or our kids did? Yes, I do. There you go. We're going to leave that and see what it turns out like. Not my normal go-to. All right, let me show you what I did. Again, these are not dry, but there's this one. There is that one. That one. Now I don't remember which ones. Oh, yeah, here. Here's the one that was all muddy and gross. But I think I'm going to like it when it actually turns out. Or dries up, I mean. And then the last one I had that I did off screen, it's really wet, is that one. So in 5 minutes, I mean, I'm talking, of course, but let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different backgrounds with just water, watercolors, and a lemon. So I hope you give this a try. I hope you like the kindergarten crafts. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you've got ideas for future things that you want me to try, a little STEAM, well, mostly just science and art, but I'm happy to do that. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. Thanks for being here. And I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you soon. Cheers.